Hey, it's Kimberly from stampinbytheseed.com, and today I have a little envelope pouch card that I want to show you how I created. And the funny part is I really had to kick fear in the pants because I was kind of afraid of my envelope punch board. And it's really an awesome tool if you can just kick the fear in the pants and play around with it a little bit. So I decided I wanted to make a card, a little pouch card, but I really wanted it to fit inside the envelope. And guess what? My card does. So I made this really fun card using the Hello Love stamp set from Stampin' Up! And this is actually one of the Hostess sets, so you can actually get this one for free. So let's put this to the side and let me show you how easy and fun that this card can be once you figure it out. So on your punch board, it actually gives you the directions. So you're probably thinking, Kimberly, why in the world were you so fearful of this thing? I don't know. I guess it's all the numbers. I don't know. I really don't know, but I really was. So on here, it gives you the card size, the paper size, and the score line. And I think that's where I would get screwed up. Well, actually, I know I'd get screwed up because I screwed it up again this morning. But I knew that my card size was 4 by 5. So I just looked on here, card size, 4 by 5. And then I had to get my paper to 7.5 by 7.5. So I'm using my favorite cardstock, Crumb Cake. And I cut it to 7.5 by 7.5. So watch this. This is so simple. So up here you have your little measurements, okay? So I'm going to bring my cardstock in, and it said to bring it up to 3 3/8. Well, that's right there. So you're going to punch it. That easy. And then you're going to take your score tool, and you have a line here, and you're just going to follow the line with your score tool. Okay, now here's where it gets tricky. So you're going to turn it, and where this score line is, you're going to line up with that doohickey thing right there, right onto the score line. Oh my gosh, it's silly simple. And then you're going to turn it again. Oh, wait, sorry. We have to score our line. Score it. And then turn it again, making sure that the doohickey is on your score line. Just like that. Punch. Score. Turn it again. Line it up. Doohickey. Punch. Score. Mine wasn't perfect that time, but that's how simple it is. Now, to make the envelope pouch, I'm just going to fold, and fold it up just like that. Okay? And then I'm going to cut this piece off. But, hold out. Let me show you something really cool. If we turn this around, up here you have a reverse punch. So stick it in there and voila. And let me tell you, that is the most perfect corner rounder I have ever used. So let's just go ahead and do them all. And another. And one more. It's that simple. So this fun little card was created with the envelope punch board. You can find it in my online store, and I hope you get kick fear in the pants like I did and create with it. Have a great day.